Well, it's Wednesday. Well, Joni, what do you think of this setting for our coffee in the morning?
Beautiful. It's just...
Love it?
I just love it. Yeah. Such a cozy corner.
Yes, very nice. And what? And we have what view have we got over there, Joni?
This view of Raposto and the sea is just incredible. You can see the
There is no place I'd rather be than right here next to you. And
Yes.
and you can see the vast ocean and the blue sky.
It's amazing, eh?
It's just amazing.
never spare me details.
Well, it's Wednesday. And it's a nice sunny day so far. And it's time to water the pots. Joni does the watering. She puts in a special fertilizer called ox blood, which I think is working very well on the pots. And I took care of all the organic stuff today and into the organic bin, and finished planting the last pot up on the path going to Betulle. And right now, Joni's finishing off her.
And Joan is doing yoga.
And then I'm going to go in and make us an egg and asparagus omelette.
Friendship to an end. How crazy that would be. Yet here I am, falling.
Married at 15, traveling the world at 70.
Fantastic ride. Ciao.
Ciao.
We're on. Okay, today they're really starting to trim everything up really nicely. They still got to come blow everything. You watered all the pots this morning, Joni, with the fertilizer, the blood fertilizer.
Rex blood.
I'm going to go plant the last
Flower.
one. Yeah.
You can hear the trimming going on, and the gardener is here today. Everything is nicely trimmed. We have rose bushes here and here behind the cottage, Pioppi, and this rose bush is right by our bedroom window.
Just need to get the heavy grasses out and take out the, do the roots, everything.
Stuff.
Boy, those roots are in there pretty damn good. Amazing. Okay. Time to scoop up the dirt a little bit out of there.
There's the chicken coop.
A little different than all the rest. A
there. Wow. That's rooted itself in there pretty damn good. I'll get it out. Open those roots up a little bit. Like that. And she goes. Buongiorno!
Yay! Ciao.
Okay. Last pot planted. You're gonna give it a. Did you give this pot to?
I gave it some water today, but I'll give it some more.
Oh, give it one more shot of that. Yeah. Garden outside. Perfect. Perfect day to garden.
Yeah.
Sunny, no wind. But look at the top here.
I know, like it's just perfect. Like so handy.
And they painted this all really nicely. Really cool. Now I want to use that. Wow.
Yeah, it's a beautiful gray steel paint color. Beautiful.
Yep. Very nice. Now this pot, Andrea and Lara brought us this. I've just transplanted it into this clay pot.
It's a black basil.
Yeah, black basil.
The Silica.
I'm going to put it here. Can you give it a shot of water, Joan?
Yeah.
A little bit more?
Yep.
I'll just place it in there. I think now if you give it one little shot of blood, ox blood would be great.
Blood.
And how are they? Oh yes. These tomato plants are going to.
I watered them too.
Yeah, Horacio says they're not going to grow, but I'm hoping to prove him wrong. Look. Wonderful. What's that?
No, snake no.
Oh no.
No. No.
That thing is huge. Big. Grande.
Okay, grande.
Yeah, wow. Oh, perfecto.
Perfect. Okay.
Ciao.
Ciao, bello.
You put back?
Okay.
Everything's freshly cut. Worms are found. Now it's time to blow everything out. Perfect.
Sorry.
No, it's no sorry. Keep going. No. And I just finished watering the garden, but oh my God. Look at that cloud. Whoa. The dark clouds are moving in. We get rain about every day a little bit. But Joni's done all the pots. I just down through here. We can see the garden right there. Peppy is always doing something. Pepe!
Hey, ciao!
Time to spray?
Come here, baby.
What?
Come here, young man.
Oh, you picked some today?
Have some cherry from Pioppi and Betulle.
Becquera.
They biologic, huh?
Becquera.
They are not sprayed.
Non è becquera, non è scritto becquera.
Perfect.
Allora, ora
Horacio says, have some.
ancora non zoom pure.
Biological. These cherries here.
This cherries here, yeah.
It's the first tree
Yeah,
as you go up the stairs to Betulle.
yes.
And tell me about what's so special about that tree.
It's special because they are ripe the first week in June.
Ah.
That means that the fly that usually damage the cherry
It's not here yet.
is not here yet because the fly will be the second week in June.
Ah,
So
okay.
this one is immune from
From the flies,
from the fly.
from that insect.
So we don't have to spray. while the other tree on the back, that they will ripen like end of June,
That
beginning.
you have to spray to get rid of the
July,
flies.
yeah.
Otherwise,
we
you
need
get
to-
nothing.
Yeah.
And then it has to be washed and proper, right? But
Well, but we spray 20 days before
picking.
picking.
And what type of spray is it? Is it a biological spray or is it?
Let's say Pepe say there is a biological. I say there is a semi-biological.
Okay. But man, these are good. Unbelievable. Got it?
Yeah.
Anyway, just finished coming from. You just finished cooking with Loredana.
Right.
They're coming up at 12 o'clock.
Okay.
And then I went up to see Orazio and Pepe. They were doing something with the cherry trees. Look at this. Orazio says, bring this to Joan. They have one cherry tree that's biological. It's this one. And it's ready always at this time of the year. And the rest of them,
Wow.
are sort of middle of June, second week in June type of thing. But here, this is for you.
Fantastic. That's a biological one?
These are biological. No spray, nothing on these.
Oh, man.
And they are just so absolutely amazing. Oh, you gotta try those. Just finish.
And by your house,
Yes.
the big tree is sour cherry.
Oh, that's
The sour cherry is good to make marmalade,
Oh, yeah.
jam, and liquor.
Very sour cherry tree, and it makes really, really good jams.
Wonderful.
What a place, eh?
Oh, unbelievable.
Listening to a little jazz out on the patio. And Joan is bringing out a little bit of wine. Right, Johnny? Ciao, ciao, ciao. Oh, oh, that's really good. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. What a great evening. Wow. A little bit of jazz. Oh. What do you think, John? It's going to be a nice evening, you know?
Tell you how I feel, how easy it would be to fall for you, but that of course is something I won't do, 'cause we've agreed between you and me we're nothing more than friends. There is no place I'd rather be than right here next to you. And I truly love to talk about your lovers, old